Why don't you undo it? There you go. Come on, you little retard.
It's not called
I
a
know.
retard on camera.
Yeah. Because when
On
she'll play it
Christmas
back
Day.
and know.
At Christmas.
It's better to do it behind her back.
Oh my god.
Turns into a slugfest. No, you're a retard.
all on YouTube.
And Lily starts crying.
Yeah, call it Christmas Melody.
Is it one of those never-ending boxes?
I don't know.
Can you just...
It's Scotch tape. Sorry now, really? You play sports, dude. Ahem, there's stuff in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna open this one for you.
Oh, alright. Really? Yeah, that's fine.
Is that out of order?
No, that's fine, that's fine.
Can you just listen?
You have to
Maybe you
number
put the other
them.
one first. Sure. No. You need a knife for that scotch tape?
Hey, that's what's part of the joke. Do you need a knife for the scotch tape?
Oh, this is a card. We all love you so much and we are proud of you. This is from all of us to you. Hoping I could this is right.
Wait, you gotta show me what it is.
You're going to live endless.
Really? Oh my god, I'm so excited!
Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thank
Wait,
you.
now get your mother. She's crying.
Darby's crying! Mommy's crying!
Now try.
Turn it around.
No, not that one. What, brown
Should
bag?
I not?
Is there a brown bag over there? I don't see it.
Why, really, right now? Hold on.
What is it? What is it?
It's the beige one.
Is there a brown bag?
Darby, that's why you couldn't have
Is
your
this it?
phone. Because
Oh,
if
because
Olivia
Olivia
got it and opened it or something.
Is this it, Mom? Yeah.
Oh
Here, babe.
yeah! I want to text them.
No,
No,
make
no,
sure
no.
that they
They
made
didn't
it
open it.
Alright,
Let me text Terry first.
Alright.
Can I have my phone?
Yay!
How cool is that?
Oh my god, that
Where
was
is it?
awesome.